Today in this video, I will tell you how you can convert your laptop to a tablet. Let's start. Hello everyone, my name is Jex, and if you are new to the channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get such informative and tutorials video next. Search for a Memu in the Google. It's Memu. Click here. You can find download button here. Just click here and download it. As I have already downloaded it, I will cancel. After you got your download complete, just install it. Now I will run it. So here is the interface. This is Android Jelly Bean 4.2.2. Now from here, you can maintain your YouTube channel and get more views and subscribers. I have already installed many applications. It supports large numbers of applications. I will show you running YT Studio. You can see everything about your channel by this application Memu. And I hope you like this app. Friends, this is not any powered video. I am talking about this app by my own experience. I am using this app and this app is just doing great job. So download this app, that will be great helpful for you. Here you can see all about our channel. You can upload videos from YouTube app. I will bring tutorials on how to upload videos from this tablet. So, subscribe now. Here is the truth about this Android Jelly Bean 4.2.2. Thank you.